Hi, I'm Austin with Sawblade.com, and today we're here at Houston Metal Cutting, Houston's premier metal sawing facility. One of the most common issues in the metal sawing industry, whether it be from small fabricating projects to large industrial scale cutting, is tooth strippage. And here at Sawblade.com, we've solved this issue with our Q501 IC band.
Hi, I'm Daniel here at Houston Metal Cutting. I'm here to explain to you how Sawblade.com has helped us with our tooth pullage problem. When cutting structural pipe, channel, or I-beam, there's always a chance that you can rip your teeth out of your blade, which is a major headache.
The Q501 IC band's enhanced tooth geometry allows it to take a larger load when handling structural materials where you have two stress points.
With its enhanced geometry setting and its shallow gullet, it really allows the blade penetration to get in and get out before it has a chance to rip the teeth out of the blade. And I'm Daniel, not a paid salesperson, a happy customer.
To get your hands on a Q501 IC band to tackle all your structural materials, log on to www.sawblade.com, where we carry a variety of sizes and tooth pitches to fit your application. And remember, Sawblade.com, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.